All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Joint account, Diamond Duchess, AJ Special, Love or Money from the outside, Dane Hill Choi, Lean Shotty is also rushing up. On the further outside is Idas Julian Don, Eduardo's Best alongside Open Mind, King Amadeo, Alazim, and NZ is running at the tail of the field. AJ Special, joint account, Diamond Duchess, Lim Shoti, Dale Choi, down on the inside, Love or Money, King Amadeo, also rushing up Alazim, Idas Julian, Open Mind, Ancient, Don, Eduardo's Best. Rounding the far turn, AJ Special, joint account, King Amadeo, Love or Money, Diamond Duchess, rushing up is Idas Julian, Alazim, Lim Shoti, Dane Hill Choi, Don, Eduardo's Best, and see Open Mind as they race the final corner. AJ Special, joint account, and King Amadeo rushing up is NZ. It's now NZ from the outside, joint account down on the inside. AJ Special, Dane Hill Choi, and nearing the finish line, number 4, NZ. Second, joint account, Dane Hill Choi, AJ Special, and for your friend, Affecta, King Amadeo.